going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas, and today I'm going to show you how to make Thai chili sauce with a marinated Thai roast chicken. So let's go and I'll show you how. Okay, I've got my ingredients in front of me. So I'm going to make the marinade for the roast chicken. Okay, so here we go. I've got 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to have 3 tablespoons of lime. These limes are off my tree. I'm going to have 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. I'm going to have a tablespoon of coriander that I'm just going to roughly chop. I'm going to have 1 tablespoon of dried chili and 1 tablespoon of tumeric. Going to give that a little mix. And now I'm going to rub it all over the chicken. Okay, now that's done, I've got my chicken in an oven bag. I like it to be nice and juicy, so I don't want it going dry. So now it's going to be on 180 for about an hour. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to make the Thai chili sauce, and I've got the ingredients already organised in front of me. So I've got 8 garlic cloves. Then I'm going to put it in my blender cup. I have 8 chilies. Now I suggest when you're deseeding the chilies that you use gloves if your hands aren't used to chilies, because your hands will burn. I'm telling you, they will burn. Okay, I have 1 pinch of salt. I have 4 teaspoons of sugar. I have 2.5 teaspoons of vinegar. 2 teaspoons of fish sauce and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Now I'm going to blend it. Okay, now I've just pulsed it for about 8 pulses until everything is chopped up, and I'm going to pour it into my serving dish. That looks nice and chilly, nice and spicy. Now my chicken is nice and cooked and out of the oven. And now it's time to taste it. I'm just going to slice a bit of chicken and get some of my Thai sauce and taste it. I've also made some steamed basmarti rice to have with it. Spicy and delicious. So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers!